Okay, in this video we're going to replace an air conditioner cabin filter, ACC filter. Toyota calls it an element air filter. This is part number 87139-07010. Alright, well, I hope it's not a fake one. It says made in Japan. Kind of was expecting made in Taiwan. That's where the oil filters are made. But I started to read the instructions, even though I'm a guy and I'm not supposed to. And if you look right here, periodic cleaning. Can you see that? It's misspelled. And then recommended to, there's no space there. Recommended to is all one word. So if this is a real Toyota product, bad on them. Prepare an information label. The L in label before the parentheses is missing. Indicating is misspelled. Oh, this is all bad. This is really bad. Well, I hope it's a genuine filter. Man, that would really suck if I bought a fake one. Well, I'm going to install it nonetheless. So here we go. I mean, it did come with the labels. And that's supposed to go on the driver's side door by the tire pressure thing. At least that's what the manual says. So if you look on the manual, see it tells you to put the label right there. Then it shows you where the air conditioning filter goes. They call it the air conditioning filter. Then there says, hey, you may need to replace it more often if you notice a reduction in airflow. Then in your manual there's instructions on removing it, tells you how to do it, and I'll go over that in the video. Alright, now we're going to be pulling out the factory filter, but it doesn't even say replace. After it says pull it out, it tells you to clean it, and it tells you how to clean it. If it's dirty, clean by blowing compressed air through the filter from the downward side, and it shows you the up. So you're going from the clean side and you're blowing out the dirty side. Do not clean with water. And then it says when you replace it, up is up. So be sure the up arrow is saying up. Okay, following the instructions in the manual, the first thing we want to do is there's a Phillips screw right here. We're going to remove it off. Okay, they're calling it a damper, so we're going to remove the Phillips head screw off the damper. Next, we're going to squeeze in both sides, this side and the other side, which puts me in the way of the camera. So what I'm going to do is get in the camera. And there it goes, dropping down. Okay, with the glove box disengaged, we are going to remove the panel that's covering the filter right there. Okay, that was very easy. I didn't show it because I would be in front of the camera, but you just push both tabs in. Push both of them in, it just comes right off, easy peasy. And I can zoom back into the filter, and there it is, sitting up there. So it says May 2017, so it looks like I've already replaced it once already because I date my filters. So in May of 2017, and it is now 2021, so it's 4 years old. So everything was working fine, but because I found so many leaves in the engine air cleaner, I decided to replace this. So here we go. Alright, easy peasy, just reach in here. You can push on it if you have to get it out a little bit. And I do see quite a bit of debris in there. Quite a bit. So it definitely needs to be changed. This also looks like a charcoal filter. Here, let me zoom out. Whoops, wrong way. I don't know how to use my camera. So as you can see, it looks gray like a charcoal filter, where the fake Toyota filter, airflow, made in China. So it looks like I was cheap and I put it in upside down. Needs to go like this. And it's also not an official Toyota filter. So let me put the official Toyota filter in there, and I'll put it in correctly. Now this air filter that I'm suspicious of says Toyota, has the correct part number, has a manufacturer up there, says made in Japan. I'm not sure if that's correct. And there's nothing on the other side, so there's no airflow indicator on here. So there's no up or down. And it's only going to go in this way. This part of the filter goes to the front or the back. This part of the filter will go on the side. You can see the difference a little bit there. And it's not square, so it will not fit in this way. It only goes in one way. Now you can argue that there is no flow direction. Oh, let me write the date on here. Alright, so I wrote the date on there, and we're gonna stick her in here. See if it'll fit without me messing up too much. Getting in the way of the camera. Putting my hand in front of the camera, fun stuff. Alright, I do see a little like dust in there. I'm going to clean that up. Okay, when I cleaned it up, I did see that it said up, and then I noticed that this is not symmetrical. So it's only going to go on one way. If you try and put it on upside down, it's not going to click into place. So up is up. Let me click it in place. Okay, I'm here to tell you it's super easy. It's self-aligned, and then you just press on it. Easy peasy. Next, we'll put the glove box back together here. There you go, clicks in place. And we need to line up the dampener as soon as I find it. All right, well that dampener retracted. It's up in here, so I got to grab it and pull it down. I'm going to go get a pick. All right, I have my pick, and I'm just going to pull it down. It's pretty easy. And I'm going to line it up here. Need both hands apparently. Yep, I'm going to hide it. I'm going to hide my work. Line it up. Can't see. There we go. Okay, back together, easy peasy. Now we got to put the label on by the door according to the instructions. All right, I'm over here on the driver's side, and I really don't see a place for it. We have all these stickers here. I mean, it can fit in there somewhere, I guess. I don't know. It's not really necessary. I could stick it over top of the stickers. Whatever. So, you know, it says clean and replace. I don't recognize the other languages. Well, Luft, I understand Luft is German, so it might be English, German, and I really don't know the bottom language. So, anyway, I'm not going to stick it in there. But, you know, if you want to put it in here, have at it. So that's how you install a Toyota ACC filter in a Toyota Avalon. Man, that was easy. That was easy as pie. So I took out a carbon filter that I had put in there in May of 2017. Don't even remember that. Put in a potentially fake filter. I don't know. It didn't have an up arrow. I was expecting made in Taiwan. Maybe it is made in Japan and it's a genuine filter, but I didn't see an up arrow on the filter. So anyway, fun stuff. Be careful what you buy, and thank you for watching.